There are two big secrets to starting a successful vegetable garden. The first is to start small. The second is to start planting in early spring way before the last frosts of wayward winter are done. So I've got for you here a planting list of vegetables to plant in early spring to grow a small but very successful vegetable garden. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 5 best vegetables to plant in early spring. Before that, please like and subscribe to support my channel, and press the bell icon to get new video updates. Well, here are 5 early spring vegetables you should plant right now. Number 1. Lettuce. Late summer, autumn, or early spring are the best times to plant lettuce. In the spring and fall, a spot that receives full sun is perfect for growing lettuce. If you're growing lettuce in the summer or in a hot climate, partial shade will help to keep the heat at bay. Growing lettuce from seed in the late summer will require a lot of artificial shade to keep the soil cool enough to germinate. When the days become colder, the shade can be removed to allow young lettuce plants to receive plenty of sunlight. Number 2. Radish. This is another spring vegetable well worth growing, especially because store-bought radishes pale in comparison to homegrown roots in the flavor department. With their spicy flavor and crisp texture, radishes come in a surprisingly diverse array of colors and shapes. For good root formation, radish must be planted in the very early spring or late in the fall, when temperatures are cool. Ready to harvest in just 3 to 5 weeks, radishes seldom disappoint. For continuous production, plant a row of radish every 2 weeks throughout the spring and harvest the roots while they're still small. Number 3. Broccoli. Broccoli is a hardy vegetable that develops best during cool seasons of the year. 2 crops per year, spring and fall, are possible in most parts of the country, especially with continuous improvement in fast maturity and heat tolerance that extends the life of broccoli through all but the hottest parts of the season. It belongs to the cole crop family, Brassica oleracea, which includes cabbage, Brussels sprouts, cauliflower, collards, kale, and kohlrabi. Number 4. Carrot. Carrots are a cool season crop and planted in early spring. Seeds germinate best at 55 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Buying a soil thermometer is the best way to gauge the temperature and when to plant. Plant seeds 6 weeks after the last frost date. Carrots can be planted 3 to 5 weeks before the last frost date in the spring. Applying manure before planting seeds can cause carrots to shoot out roots from their bodies. To prevent this, do not apply manure prior to planting the seeds. Number 5. Kale. Kale is one of the most beneficial plants you can grow in your homestead garden. Besides the high fiber content, kale is naturally rich in iron, calcium, vitamin C, magnesium, potassium, and beta-carotene. Kale is easy to grow, cold-resistant, and goes from seed to harvest in only 2 months. Harvest kale as you go, like lettuce, arugula, and other leafy greens, by snipping off the outer leaves near the root. You can start harvesting kale in the baby stage around 25 days after sowing the seeds. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to support my channel, and press the bell icon to get new video updates. And see you in the next videos.